Hi, Jenny, if I could ask naman for your any improvement, anything like that.
Hindi, sa akin kasi bago ako dito sa area ng real estate, no? So
Mm.
lahat naman very helpful kasi um three, sobrang ibang-iba yung pinanggalingan ko. Halos lahat ng verticals na pinagdaanan
Oh.
ko, ibang-iba. Ang magkatulad lang, syempre, cold calling kasi I've been a cold caller, gano'n, naging team lead din ako, naging ano din ako and all. So ibang-iba pala yung world ng ng real
Mm.
estate. Pero dito kasi sa appointment setter tayo. Talagang ibang-iba, parang additional to my na naman closets of
Of
knowledge.
course.
Parang ganun.
Well, if I could ask, would you think that this training help you to have some
Yes.
confidence
Yes, it
on your
is.
applications and basically for you to check the perspective of virtual assistants?
Yes, mga 85% naman, no? To be honest. Why? Kasi yung confidence naman, nandun na siya. Since nandito na ako for almost 15 years of my life
Mm.
has been dedicated to call center. I've been
Opo.
there. I've done that.